Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A5 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this device. First, let's open the settings, and to do it, let's just swipe upwards on the home screen to open the app menu, and in here let's tap on the settings icon. Once in settings, let's scroll all the way down and select General Management. Here let's tap on Language and Input, and then tap on the language. Now to change the language, we need to add another one to the list. So let's tap on Add Language. And this will open the list of languages, and here we can select one we like. For example, we can select Deutsch. And now we need to select the region, for example, Deutschland. Here you can select to keep the current language, which is English, or set the Deutsch as default language. Let's set as default, so let's tap on it. As you can see, the language changed. Now we can bring it back to English by just touching and holding next to it on this icon on the right side, and then moving it to the top of the list like that, and tapping OK on the top to confirm. As you can see, the language changed. Now let's change it back to Deutsch, just to show an example, and done. Like this. We can also remove the languages from the list, and to do it, just tap the delete right here in the top right corner. Select the language you want to remove, for example Deutsch, and then tap delete again. And tap confirm OK to confirm. And as you can see, the language was removed. And that should be all. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.